Hi, I'm Samah Salaime, the Director of the Communication and Development Office in al-Salam Neve Shalom. And we are standing here in the remains of the School for Peace building that was destroyed because of arson attack that we were victim of in September 1st, 2020. This facility served us as a peace education institution for 4 decades. And we insist today to rebuild the School for Peace. Standing here with my colleague, Dr. Roi Silberberg, the director of the School for Peace.
Following this attack, we were determined to continue our work, and we managed to carry out all of the planned programs for this year. We did the courses in the universities and colleges, we did the youth workshop, and we did change agents courses, for example, for lawyers or for environmentalists and more. The new building will upgrade our facilities and will increase the impact of our activities. It will have space for working in small groups of activists and of our graduates who are changing things on the ground. It will have a viewing room for group facilitators to train and to see other facilitators at work. And it will have a large space for conferences and assemblies. This is why we believe this new building will be key for our future work.
In order to bring this vision to come through, and this dream will be built in the actual ground, and we have 1 year to establish this facility, we need your help. We almost did it with our friends, association around the world, and foundation and generous donors, but we need the last push to get our target, almost $1 million. And for that target, we need your help. So this is a proposal for the donors, for people like us who like peace and want to promote peace in this world, to donate to our project. Thank you.